Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to hard reset a Hatch Restore 2. To perform a hard reset on a Hatch Restore 2, first of all you have to start by unplugging the Hatch Restore 2 from the power source. This will ensure the safety during the reset process. Then you have to allow the device to remain unplugged for about 10 seconds. After the waiting period, plug the Hatch Restore 2 back to the power source and then start the reset procedure. To initiate a factory reset on the Hatch Restore 2, you have to press and hold the physical button on the back side of your device for 10 seconds. After holding the button for 10 seconds, release it. The Hatch Restore 2 will reset to its factory setting. Once the reset is complete, you will need to set up your Hatch Restore 2 again according to your preference. This may include setting the time, alarm, brightness and other personalized settings. Then you have to verify the Hatch Restore 2 is functioning correctly. Then you have to verify that the Hatch Restore 2 is functioning properly after the reset by testing its various features and settings. Hopefully this video will help you to hard reset your Hatch Restore 2. Thanks for watching.